This is a picture of Larry Hoover. Uh, when I first went to prison, I was so embarrassed because I didn't know how to read and write in prison. And I have to think, at first I thought, yeah, at first I thought being a part of something like being a gang and being, was just about cuddles and red and blue and things like that. But when I came to prison, actually, I learned how to read and write from the gang literature, Larry Hoover literature. Uh, I want to say he taught like principles and things in that nature. If you see the little boy behind a white child, he holding a heart, it represents love. The little girl holding a bird represent life. This other little girl holding ripped up money, meaning money, loyalty over money. This other little girl holding my book, mean knowledge. Holding the diploma mean wisdom. Other little girl holding the key mean understanding. I want to say something because it's really important. And this man been in prison since like forever, 1974, I believe. And it was a shame. I was ashamed to tell a person that I was a gangster disciple, but I'm not ashamed to tell a person I'm growing and developing.